Alcohol, but it's good for you. Alcohol, but it's good for me. Somebody to hold me while I take my Ambien. Go to the great beyond. A pony, ability to get high without getting anxious. The sweet relief of the great beyond. For everything to end. Ooh, for it all to end. Hey, yeah. Over. For it to be over. Also to live forever. Someone cute to know my name. A place that I can run away. The ability to smoke without it being bad. Better skin. Oh. A nice pretzel to go. An emotional range that's normal.